Hello, recently I published my first package for Flutter. I call it Responsive Chat. Just like the name, it is a button chat but can change to a dialog or a side panel on screen size change or on your custom logic. Now I'm gonna show you what use case this package cover. In here, you can see several use case because you can easily customize and get different combinations. The first one is you can show the responsive bottom sheet with the default configurations. The default configurations is it will show as a bottom sheet on a mobile screen size, and it will show as a dialog in a tablet screen size, and then it will show as a side panel in a desktop size like this. And then you can decide whether you want to only show as a side, so in every screen size you will see a side panel like this, or you can also set it as a dialog only or a bottom sheet only. And then if you notice, the side panel or the dialog or the bottom sheet has already set width and height, you can override that. For example, in here I set this as a fixed 300 or 200, I forgot, but you can show the bottom sheet, the dialog or the side panel with a fixed size like this. So in every screen size you will see the same size for those type of sheet. And then you can also show it as a ratio. In here I show 80% on a mobile, I show 60% on a tablet, and 40% on a desktop. So you can also do that. And then you can customize the style of the sheet. For example, the default one was there is no border, it is just plain container. But with custom style, you can have a border radius for the bottom sheet, dialog, and side panel like this. And then the next one is you can expect result from the responsive sheet. In here, for example, in the bottom sheet, I click Emma More and it will show Emma More on the snack bar. So you can expect result from the bottom sheet, from the dialog, and from the side panel like this. Ava Williams, like this. And the next one is you can show the responsive bottom sheet with nested bottom sheet. For example, in here I open the first one and then I show another one. You can do that. And then the last one is this responsive sheet will preserve your widgets. What I mean by that is when you change from a bottom sheet to a dialog, your widget won't get reset. In here, the timer is continue, indicating that the widget is not yet disposed. And when you change to side panel, it also get preserved. Side panel, dialog, and bottom sheet, it will use the same widget. It will not recreate your widget, and thus it will automatically preserve your data. And yeah, that's several combinations for this responsive sheet, but you can tweak or you can customize your own because I provide a way to do that. And yeah, you can check this out on PubDev.